Sir, one drive was going on against the fraudulent use of private vehicles as rent a bike or rent a car. How many cases have been detected and what action has been taken so far?
So we were getting repeated complaints that certain individuals are violating the rent a car, rent a bike permits, and private vehicles are being given illegally for renting. So a special drive was launched around a month back, and so far we have been able to impound nearly 130 such vehicles. In this regard, we've also returned to the transport department to cancel their registration certificates, and we are also in discussion with the transport department to cancel their driving licenses.
Say, any observation have you noticed regarding this while the trial was going on against private vehicles given on the rent? Like,
So what we've observed is that a lot of times the tourists, they are not aware of what exactly constitutes rent a bike, or which vehicles can be rented and which cannot be rented. So there was a lack of awareness on the part of tourists. So we are educating the tourist also, and we are also encouraging that a lot of information is available online on what vehicles can be used, and they should follow those guidelines before they hire any vehicle.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.